Hello everybody, Stuart from Content Villain here. Today I want to go over how to set up a webhook with Pabbly. Pabbly is an up-and-coming tool in the automation space. It's getting more popular, and I've had a few requests to go over how to set up a webhook with it. So today we're going to do that. To set up a webhook in the Content Villain interface, you come to the Webhooks tab. And here you will have a list of the models, and you can put these on any of the webhooks. We're going to do business ideas because it's what I like to test with, and we need to enter a webhook URL here. So how do we get a webhook URL in Pabbly? We come in here, we create a workflow. Let's just start this from the beginning. So we hit the create workflow in the top right here. We can name the workflow as webhook test, and then it's going to ask us what the trigger is. And the reason why it's going to ask us what the trigger is because it needs to know what starts the process of the automation. And what we're going to use here to start the process is a webhook. So you see it's at the top here, or you can type in webhook and you will get it. Once you do this, it's going to give you a webhook URL, which is perfect. So we can copy this and we can go back to Content Villain and we can enter it here. So business ideas is going to be linked to this Pabbly webhook URL. We hit connect, it connects it. That is done, and now we can test it out. So we go to business ideas.
I don't know that one.
Curious. We come here and we can put in what we want to get the output for business ideas. Let's do the old faithful Warhammer. I love painting Warhammer models and playing with them with my friends. And we do this, we can generate the ideas. This will send it to the AI, and the AI is going to come back with 4 answers for us. So, launch to start a business which sells paints and painting tools, some of which could be shared on social media sites. That one sounds great to me. We can hit this button, and now this is going to be waiting for a test. And if we go back to Content Villain and we hit this button, it's going to send that webhook, and that is done. The process is complete. We go to Pabbly, and here we go. So we've got it. It's coming under the field content because that's where it all comes in. And here's the value here. So that's super awesome. And now if you wanted to connect that up with any of your other tools, you come in and you can do that easily. So if we wanted to send that to Google Sheets, we could do that. We come in, we say Google Sheets, we map out exactly where it is within the account, create a new row, and we can send it directly. And once we've connected it and set it all up, you can do that over and over. You can send multiple of the outputs to a webhook just by clicking. So you could click here, you could click on the second one, you could click on the third one, click on the fourth one, and that would send all of these there. And webhooks are just super useful for creating automations, creating processes. This is showcasing the business ideas with Pabbly, but you could use it with emails. You could use it with introductions, blog ideas, a bunch of other stuff, and you can send it to the applications you are already using. So this is how you can set up a webhook with Pabbly. I'll probably be going over more in-depth processes on actually some real use cases, such as creating a Slack bot or sending these data points to Google Sheets at a later time. But I just wanted to make the basics today on how you can connect Pabbly and Content Villain via webhooks. I hope this has been useful. If you want to try out Content Villain, which is the only AI content assistant which has webhook functionality and our middleman API feature, check it out today at contentvillain.com. Thank you.